Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to draw an Audi R8. Start by sketching the car's basic silhouette using simple geometric shapes to establish proportion and perspective. Keep lines light so you can adjust wheel placement, roofline, and stance as you refine. Identify the long hood and side blade early because they define the profile. Move from the overall form into headlights, grille, and wheel details in careful stages. Begin the drawing by marking the horizon and vanishing points to guide perspective, then lightly sketch the chassis and wheelbase to lock in proportions. Use simple rectangles and ovals to position wheels and cabin, making sure the roof sits low and the stance feels wide. Compare left and right measurements often to keep symmetry. Keep strokes light until proportions feel correct, then darken the final outline with deliberate, clean lines. With the main silhouette set, refine the side blade, fenders, and door details that make the R8 recognizable, then focus on headlight clusters and the unique grille shape. Sketch wheel spokes and tire sidewalls with consistent spacing to suggest depth. Apply soft shading to indicate curved metal, leaving bright highlights on glass and chrome to convey reflection. Blend gradually to achieve smooth gradients, and use an eraser for crisp highlights and pan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.